Ancient India and the spread of Hinduism. One of the first civilizations and one of the world's oldest religions developed in ancient India. People began to settle in the Indus River Valley in South Asia about 6,000 years ago. Farming and herding communities developed. An advanced civilization with carefully planned cities developed in the valley. The Indus Valley civilization thrived for 900 years. A large group of nomads, the Aryans, migrated to India. Their religious beliefs helped form a new religion called Hinduism. What do Hindus believe? Hindus believe that all living things have many lives. If you do good things in this life, you will come back as someone wiser and better in your next life. If you do bad things in this life, you could come back as a rat or even a gnat. Map A. How big is the Indian subcontinent? India is a part of a subcontinent that includes the modern countries of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Bhutan. See their boundaries on page 127. Places, regions, and landscapes. Directions. Read the introduction and look at map A. How big is the Indian subcontinent? Write T next to each of the following statements if it is true, or F if the statement is false. Letter A. The earliest civilization in India was centered around the Indus River. Write true for T for true, F for false. Letter B. The Indus River Valley civilization had no cities. T for true or F for false. Letter C. The Indian subcontinent includes only the present-day countries of India and Pakistan. T for true or F for false. Letter D. Nomads who migrated to India started a religion called Hinduism. T for true or F for false.